All right, welcome back to Melodica with Mr. Wright. Today we're going to do a little two-hand technique and use our tube instead of the mouthpiece. We are going to learn a melody called Ode to Joy. Was created by Beethoven. He wrote this melody for his Ninth Symphony. And pretty famous melody. And we're going to learn to play the right hand melody and also some chords in the left hand as well. I'm going to put this sheet music in the notes or underneath the title of this YouTube video so you can download it. There'll be a link to it if you wish to play it and learn it. Okay? So our first note of the melody is here in E. Da da. Okay, and you can see the finger numbers on here. We only have to keep our hand in one spot in the right hand, and the finger numbers are 3 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 3 2 2 3 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1. Then the third line. 2 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 2 rest. And the last line is exactly the same as the second line. 3 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 1. Okay, so that's the fingering. That'll be on the sheet music. It might be helpful if you print out a copy or pull that up on your computer. Okay. And I got to keep my keyboard centered here. All right, let's try playing it now. Here's my low C, and here's the C an octave up. Here's the E note that I'm starting on, 3 3 4 5. Let's try it together slowly. There's our first note. Ready, begin. Second line. Third line. Rest. Last line. All right, so there's our melody. Now we're going to do the left hand, the chords, and this is our C chord. Here's our C note. The sheet music has a C chord and also a G note. C chord, G note. Okay, and but you can also you can play alternates if you want. If you just want to play a C note and a G note. That works. If you want to fancy up a little bit and instead of just the G note, you want to play a G chord, that would be fine. The easiest way is probably leave it thumb where it's at and move these two fingers down a note till you play a G chord in first inversion. Here's C note, C chord. Here's G chord. Okay, another way to play G chord, you could do what is sort of an open G, G and just the D and the G, so an octave here between these two. Or you could play the G root position, G, B, D. So C chord, G chord, back to C chord. Any of those can work. Okay, let's try putting it together. I'm going to first play it as written. I'm going to try and make sure my keyboard stays in where we're filming here. All right, from the beginning, my right hand finger's on the E here, thumb is on the C, left hand will be here on the C chord. Ready, begin. good job. So now we're going to mix it up, especially with the left hand, okay? So instead of just playing C chord and G note, I'm going to mix it up and play some of those alternates with the G chord in different ways. Or, okay? All right, let's try it together. Here we go slowly. Ready, begin. All right, there you go. So I hope you enjoyed Ode to Joy this week, and we'll see you on next time with Melodica with Mr. Wright. Thanks, everybody.